How to get best Pictory AI coupon codes. There are several active coupon codes, which include features like automatic captioning, text to video creation, access to millions of royalty free clips, and AI voiceovers. To get this, first of all, you have to hit on the pricing, which is on the official website of the Pictory AI. Once you hit on the pricing, you will see all of the plans available on Pictory AI. Now, here you can see two billing, that is monthly billing and yearly billing. If you buy yearly billing, then you can save up to 24% off. But if you want to buy monthly billing, then professional one will be the best for you. You can get 1 month for $49 with various features. You have to simply hit on the buy now, then your payment process will be begin, and then you can easily get this Pictory AI plans. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.